Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic chili prawns. Perfect dish to go with pasta, perfect to go with a salad or even on its own. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates and tell me how your dishes turn out. So I've got some prawns and some very normal household items. Let's get down to the hob. This is going to take maybe no more than 3 or 4 minutes and it'll be ready. See you in the hob. So there's some oil in the pan. Olive oil. I'm just going to place some butter. In the meantime, I'm going to put some garlic in. Got some red chili pepper and chili flakes. Now, the chili flakes will be hot. The chili pepper itself will give it a smoky flavour. So I'm just going to start cranking up the heat now. Going to pop in the salt and black pepper. Now the prawns have been outside at room temperature for about 10 minutes now. And what I'm going to do now is just quickly crank up the heat. I'm going to pop these in. Shouldn't take more than 3 to 4 minutes in total. See, they already started to cook off. If you want to learn how to deshell and devein a prawn, if you go to my channel or click on the link below, it'll show you step-by-step detail on how to prepare the prawns for this dish. Finally, I'm just going to pour in some Worcestershire sauce. And my prawns are done. And I'll see you back at the serving area. Welcome back everyone. So my prawns are done. I'm going to literally garnish. And that's about it. Let's try these beauties. Spot on. Hits the note. Try your recipe out. Tell me how it goes. I'll see you again. Take care. Bye for now.